guys, welcome back to Rod Smoking Stuff. Today we're going to make some corn dip on the smoker. So I'm going to bring you in closer and I'll show you how we do that. Okay, so the first ingredient we need, this is real simple. Need some of this pepper jack, 8 ounces. We got 2 blocks of cream cheese we're going to put in this thing. This is probably the hardest part, is opening these blocks of cream cheese. There's one. So this is, like I say, the most difficult part here, because they don't like to come out and they're sticky and gooey. Let go. Round 2. I'm going to put some sour cream. I like about a half cup. You can put what you like. Probably about like that. Then, the easy part. Most people put canned corn in. I'm using this frozen corn. It's a Mexican street corn. It's got Parmesan, lime, and cilantro already in it. So you don't have to cut those up. And this is, 18 ounces is what I use. Just going to go ahead and dump that in there, just like that. And we're just going to stick this on the smoker. Once that cheese starts to soften up, we'll come back and mix it up. Alright, we got our smoker set at 300 degrees. So we're just going to close it up and we're going to let it smoke. We'll be back in about 30 minutes to stir it up. Alright guys, it's been about a half hour. It's starting to soften up. So we're going to mix it around a little. Not quite as soft as we need it to mix it properly, but get it broke up a little, it'll start melting quicker. Okay, and I forgot to add the seasoning, the tea seasoning we're going to call it, because I can't say that name. So we're going to add some of that to it too. That yay much ought to be good. Close her up, let it keep smoking. Alright guys, we got it all softened up. Let this cook for probably about another half hour, 45 minutes. We'll be ready to try her out. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit more of our seasoning on here before we shut her down and let her finish smoking. That'll be good. Alright guys, our corn dip should be done. Let's check this out. Oh yeah, that looks good. We just got to get it off here and try it now. Set it over here. Alright, so I got my tortilla chips. I like the ones with the lime for this. I don't add any lime to the dip, I just use the lime chips. This is the easiest way to make this corn. Buy that Mexican corn roasting mix. Let's try this out, see if it's good. Yeah, that's good stuff, guys. Hot. Oh yeah. I give this 2 thumbs up, even though I only gave it 1. I'm gonna get this inside and we're gonna feed the family. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, it's free, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.